Hey again. There's just a couple of things that I got from Amazon which I thought was interesting. One of them is this magic puzzle box, and this one, which is the same kind of thing. These are only about £10 each. Initially only got them for just a little present to put for a kid, to put something in. I'll be showing the solutions for these. If you don't want to know, then don't watch. I think this one none of the other ones move. Well, if you pulled hard enough they would. I think this is just draw comes out and you can push in there. I think it's a nice thing to give as a present. If you're going to give a child some money or something, you could put it in here. It's more interesting than a card. And this one, I really like this one. It took me a while to figure this one out. It's a dovetail puzzle. Obviously you can't pull it out. It would have to slide out like in that direction. But you can hear. So if you can, somewhere in here on the corner, I think it's that corner, there's essentially a ball bearing in here which stops this from sliding out. But the trick is, you hit the corner. There we go, it's that corner. There you go. Obviously it slides. It's quite clever. Slide like that. There's a space to put something there in. And there's the ball bearing and the magnet. So to reset it, all you do is put it back where it was, and I think hit it from the other side. That should do it. Nope. Yeah, well, rather than watch me sit and smack this for the next half an hour, you do anyway. If I was at a better angle rather than on camera. Hang on, let me try it off camera. Ah, there we go, that's better. So you just tap it to get it back locked again. Anyway, that's it. I thought that was pretty good for £10 each, not too bad. This one's made really well. Really solid. This one's made from like balsa wood. It's not obviously burnt to make it look old. It's not the best quality in the world. You still see the glue. That's probably a bit of a giveaway actually. See glue on all of them. Yeah, you can see glue on all of them apart from the one you pull out. But yeah, anyway, it's a fun little thing for someone to open. Anyway, that's all I've got. See you next time.